guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ranjitha.G, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru from Department of Basic Science. I am pursuing my BE in Computer Science and Engineering from second semester. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. The topic is effects of poor solid waste management and the solid waste management. The contents are Introduction to Solid Waste Management, Environmental Impact, Public Health, Economic Consequences, Methods of SWM, Waste Minimization, Collection and Transportation. Introduction to Solid Waste Management. The effect of solid waste management to the society is very dangerous. Also, it impacts the environment, public health, and various economic consequences. As the name refers, the solid waste management to the society, it's a very dangerous and it also impacts the environment, public health, and various economic consequences also. Environmental impact of the SWM in the society. Improper disposal of solid waste can lead to soil contamination and water pollution. Wildlife can be harmed by ingesting or getting entangled in improperly disposed waste. Landfill emit greenhouse gases contributing to climate change. The environmental impact to the society by the SWM is very dangerous as it increases the improper disposal of the solid waste. It can lead to the soil contamination and water pollution in the society. The wildlife can also be harmed by ingesting or getting entangled in improperly disposed waste. Landfill emit greenhouse gases contributing to the climate change also. Public health. Open dumping of waste can attract disease carrying pests such as rats and flies. Improper disposal can lead to the contamination of water sources causing waterborne diseases. Burning waste releases harmful chemicals into the air impacting respiratory health. The SWM also impact the public health like even the open dumping of a waste it can attract the pest and the rats, flies which causes the diseases. Improper disposal can also lead to the contamination of water sources causing waterborne diseases. Burning waste releases harmful chemicals into the air impacting respiratory health. Also, economic consequences. Poor waste management can result in the increased cost for cleanup and healthcare. Tourism and property values can decline in the areas with visible waste accumulation. Industries may face fines and penalties for improper waste disposal practices. The poor waste management can result in the increased cost of clean and the healthcare in the society. The tourism and property values can also decline in areas with the visible waste accumulation in the society. Industries may also face the fines and penalties for the improper waste disposal practices which causes the diseases increase. Methods of solid waste management. Recycling helps reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills and conserve natural resources. Composting organic waste can reduce the emissions and create nutrient-rich soil. Waste to energy technologies convert waste into electricity or heat, reducing reliance on the fossil fuels. The methods of solid waste management are it recycles and helps with the reduce the amount of waste sent to the landfills and conserve natural resources. Composting organic waste can also reduce methane emissions and create nutrient-rich soil. Waste to energy technologies convert waste into electricity or heat, reducing reliance on the fossil fuels also. Waste minimization. Source reduction involves reducing the amount of waste generation at the beginning of the process. Products redesign can lead to the use of fewer materials or more recyclable materials. Education and awareness campaigns can promote responsible consumptions and waste reduction. The waste minimization it also involves the reducing amount of the waste that generated at the beginning stages. The product redesign or the lead to the use of fewer materials or more recyclable materials. The education and awareness is also important in the waste minimization process. Collection and transportation. Efficient collection system ensure timely removal of waste from communities. Segregation at the source facilities recycling and proper disposal of the different types of waste. Properly maintained transportation vehicles minimize the spillage and odors during the transit. The collection and transportation also it involves the removal of waste from the communities at a perfect time or a ensured time. The segregation of the sources facilities at the proper disposal or recycling at the different types of the waste also. Properly maintained transportation vehicles minimize the spillage and the odors during the transportation. Treatment and disposal. The landfill management practices such as liner system, methane capture mitigate environmental impacts. The treatment should be very good and the disposal should be very proper in the solid waste management. Water sorting facilities separate recyclables, organic waste and hazardous materials for appropriate treatment. Circular economy approach. Adopting a circular economy model promotes resource conservation and waste reduction. It also occurs when the waste reduction is controlled. Extended producer or responsibility encourages the manufacturers to take back and recycle the products. Conclusion. Effective solid waste management is essential for protecting the environment, public health, and the economy. The solid waste management maintaining is very important in protecting the environment, public health, and the economy. Implementing sustainable waste management practices can lead to the cleaner, healthier, and the more resilient society. The collaboration between governments, industries, communities, and individuals is crucial for achieving the long-term waste management goals also. Thank you so much for watching.